Hello again. This is Evan from EK Bookkeeping. We're here to do another training video this week. This week's topic, how to record deposits in QuickBooks. This video is a continuation of the one that we started last week, where we looked at receiving payments from clients. Now we've learned how to record that into the QuickBooks. This week we're going to look at the next step, which is how to take a check or cash and deposit those funds into the bank and record that in QuickBooks. So we're back on our home screen here. Just to recap what we did last week, we talked briefly about the undeposited funds account, and I briefly outlined how you might want to choose that option in terms of what you do once funds are coming into the company, because it creates the delay that is realistic in terms of you might receive a check on Monday but do not go to the bank until, let's say, Wednesday or Thursday to deposit that. So that's where the undeposited funds account comes in handy, and it's set up in this way for that reason, so that you're recognizing when the money is going into the bank at the proper time. Now if you wanted to forego that, I wanted to show you that you do have that option in QuickBooks as well. So we're going to scroll up to the Edit, select Preferences, and under Preferences we're going to choose Payments on the left hand side here. And under that we need to go under the Company Preferences tab, click on that, and we can see that the Use Undeposited Funds as a Default Deposit to Account has been checked off. Now if we wanted to, all we need to do to eliminate this, and so that once you have a payment that you're receiving goes directly into the bank, we just need to uncheck this box and then we'd be done. So that's how you'd get around the undeposited funds account. Now we can go ahead and deposit the funds that we received a few days ago. So we'll scroll over to Record Deposits, click on that. This window will open up. It says Payments to Deposit. We can see the entry that we've made a few days ago, the check that we received from Bugsco for $113. We're going to check that off right here so that it's checked. We're going to click OK. Now it shows up here. We can see that it's from the undeposited funds account. The check number was indeed 100. And now we just need to be very careful here. It says this is our bank account, and this is the only account under this company, but you could have multiple accounts. So all you need to do is click the scroll down button and it'll show you the options of the accounts that you have once you've set them up. So that's important, because you want to deposit the funds in the bank account where the funds are going, because you may have multiple accounts. So that's something to keep in mind. Next step is the date. We're going to choose today's date, which is fine. And it's a deposit. Now we want to take note that this original check was received on the 17th, and we're depositing on the 22nd. So we can see the importance of having the undeposited funds account, because we're seeing in practice how it works out that we don't actually go to the bank and deposit this check until the 22nd. So there's about a 5-day delay before depositing the funds. So I feel that it's important to have QuickBooks set up in this way, because it's a realistic representation of what's going on in your business, as opposed to recording a deposit straight away once you receive funds, because that's not always the case. So everything's set up as we'd like it, and all we need to do now is just scroll over here and click Save and Close. So we've learned how to record deposits in QuickBooks through this simple video, and I've also feel I've shown you the importance of how the undeposited funds account plays a role in any company's business in terms of accounts receivable. Please like this video, and I hope you'll subscribe to EK Bookkeeping down below. More great videos to come in the near future. So thank you very much for watching.